What's good, guys? Today I got the Keychron Q8 Max, an upgrade because I dropped my, I forgot what it was called, but this is a good one. This was the Cidoo ABM066. I accidentally dropped it, so the screen is stuck in the GIF mode. You can see what I'm saying. It just is stuck doing that, and the battery dies super quick, and the keys are all dirty. So what I'm gonna do here, as you can see what we got going on today, is I'm going to, I got these Boba U4T for free in college before I really knew anything about all this, and I even had keyboards. So what I'm gonna do now that I do have this situation is I'm gonna put the Bobas onto these. These have the Gaterons that came with them, the Jupiter Banana ones or whatever. They're pretty good, so I'm gonna put those onto here and still use this. This keyboard I barely use and has some random keys that I just found and threw on. So these keys will go onto here, and the switches from here will go onto here. These switches will go into this, and these keycaps will go onto this. And the switches on these will go into the back because these are trash. Even these are better than whatever came with these stock. So I'm gonna turn this off so that I don't keep pressing stuff on my computer. And yes, let's get into it. All of this is gonna be sped up after. All right, all the keys are off, as you can see. So now the switches. I have never done this before. Oh. Okay. Now that all of the switches are out, we took out all the Banana Gateron Jupiter switches. We can proceed to start putting in the Boba U4T into this. Once I put these into here, then I'll take the caps off of that keyboard, and we'll start putting them on situations. All right, let's get it. All right, the Gazzew Boba U4Ts are in fact in. Now it's time for the other BS. It is time to take all the caps off of this guy. All these keys are off. Zoomed in so you can see. It is dirty as hell, this keyboard. Alright, all these light blue things are in here. I'm not sure what they are. I'll Google it afterwards. This has officially been cleared. So let us start putting on the Gateron Banana tactile situations into here. How about that? Do I have room for this? All right, this is done with most of these situations. I'll probably get some other keys from all the options I have. And we are done.